please, your lordships.
Yes.
Lordship, the application for anticipatory
Louder.
bail.
Louder. Louder.
The main
You have to
offence.
speak in the mic. Yes.
Lordship, anticipatory bail, your lordship. Main offence is under section 307, your lordship, and the allied section 379. Now, lordship, the allegation on petitioner number 1 is of giving dabia blow on the head of the informant, your lordship. And then another dabia blow on the hand, which cut her finger and was bleeding, lordship. And on petitioner number 2 is iron rod blow on the head of son of the informant, Siaram, lordships. And on petitioner number 3, it is, lordship, lat ghusa on the informant.
All right. So,
But you-
informant, what is the name of the informant?
This would lordship.
What nature of injuries received by
Injury
him?
is, lordship, lacerated wound, dabia blow.
Nature of injury.
वो जो nature में reserve कर लिए हैं.
So,
Annexure 2, if your lordship will see.
let us see.
At page 15. Then there is only one blow. जो hand वाला जो बोल रहे हैं, there is no injury.
That's
जी.
now injured is
On page 15.
कौन है injured? नाम बताएं.
Injured is Mangali Devi, informant.
Mangli scar on the left hand, lacerated wound on the frontal region of the head horizontally. ये तो मर ही जाती. Reserved. And the second one, his son Siaram Mahto.
जी. सियाराम के भी as well lacerated wound ही है.
Bone deep. Now be happy with bail to Lalit Mandal.
तो जो lacerated तो grievous नहीं हो.
No, but it is on the frontal region. And the injury could not be deciphered, the nature could not be deciphered there and then, and he has been sent to higher medical center for further treatment. That's the usual practice which this court has adopted, and therefore no decision. I heard Ms. Namrata Mishra and petitioners and so and so for the state. The petitioners seek bail in anticipation of their arrest in connection with so and so. Petitioners number 1 and 2 are said to have assaulted the informant and his son respectively. The informant has received grievous. The informant, both of them have received injuries on the vital portion of their body, and the opinion with respect to the nature of injury has been kept reserved, subject to further investigations, subject to further medical investigations. So far as petitioner number 3 is concerned, he is attributed with of assault by fists and slaps without any corresponding injury on any one of the victims. Land counsel for the petitioners has submitted that the accusation against the petitioners have been overly exaggerated, and the injuries, though the injuries do not appear to be life-threatening. Be that as it may, regard being had to the nature of injuries suffered by the two victims at the hands of the petitioners number 1 and 2, I am not inclined to grant anticipatory bail to them. Their prayer for anticipatory bail is therefore rejected. Should they surrender before the court below and seek bail, their application shall be considered on its own merits without being prejudiced by the fact that the present petition on their behalf has not been entertained. In view of the general nature of accusation against petitioner number 3, without any corresponding injury on any one of the victims, he is directed to be released in the event of arrest or surrender 10,000.
Cell 28, Mr. Vibhag.